What's up, guys? It's Keep Trade. Today is September 19th, and we're going to go over today, right, how did I predict the market? How did I call what's going to happen before it even happens? But first, let's hit the testimonials real quick, right? We went 1 for 1 or 2 for 2, depending. I officially called out one trade. I called a re-entry, but I went 2 for 2 personally, right? So we have some members. Nice 2 dubs, 520 and 163 on the day. Right, let's go to my pre-market plan. So here's how I called it out. Perfect. Right, long plan and the short plan, they're in line with each other. I said clearly bullish market. I want to see retrace lower, sweep 19,970 in the sell side 1 hour or a fair hour, and then 4 hour. Whenever we find a buy model continuation, I look for 20,085 into the weekly, 2107 and 2162 into the daily. My short plan was very simple. I look for the breakdown to do what? Sweep sell side and rebalance to the 1 hour. And if we found sellers, I would look lower. But majority, I wanted to see what? The retrace on the short plan. Very simple. So that 19,978 area, guys. 19,978, very simple. It is just this pre-market low. Right? My 1 hour fair value gap reprice, very simple. It is this 1 hour fair value gap here. So what I'm saying is this. I'd like to see the shorts coming off the open, retrace, and continue. And look at that, guys. 19,978 sweep into the 1 hour, and then the continuation to what targets? Let's go over those targets. First target was the draw into the weekly. This is my 20,085 level. And then my next was the daily fair value gap drawn to the daily, which was 2116, 2160. Let's look at that plan, guys. Let's look at that plan again. You guys see that? Sweep 9970 in the 1 hour. Swept it. Find buy model to what targets? Draw to the weekly, draw to the daily. Why do I like those targets? Very simple, guys. They're very high quality narrative. It's a higher time frame narrative. Our trade was a classic setup. Classic setup here. Sell side sweep, inverse entry. I caught the inverse entry. I was not confident to call it for the members. Why was it? Because I wanted to see us get through this 5-minute first bearish. But I was confident to draw higher, so I took it, right? Targets could be here, here. But I called a 2-minute fair value gap entry for the longs. And depending on how you played it, you either caught the full move or got a 20-point gain, right? I was looking at this small 2-minute. Where I called members entry here. Popped instantly up 20-something points. I said you guys can either scale, go break even, or hold your full position looking for the highs. I entered back here. Depending how you played it, you could have caught a very nice move to the highs. But that was my trade. Again, very simple stuff. Overall bullish. I wanted the manipulation off open. We got it. Again, I wanted a short setup to this level. Never got my entry point. But we delivered lower. And then you look for what? Respect to the 1 hour. Inverse entry or wait for the 5-minute break of structure. Get in your fair value up long. Your targets are what? Buy side highs to draw into the weekly. Draw into the daily. That was that plan here. And I took one more trade. And it's very simple. Classic trade. Swing low, swing high. Noted that we drew into discount of the range. Broke 5-minute structure. Fair value gap. And you're asking me, right? Why didn't I just play it to the high? Well, I would have got fucking absolute stop on it here. Right? I know the market's inefficient, so what would I do? I would play what the market offers. We swept back in the 5-minute, got my long entry, PT1 hits here, boom, go break even, rest out, break even here, right? 24 points, I got a terrible fill, I market ordered in, so I only caught 20 points to that high, but that's what I did, right? When you understand the market's very inefficient, sloppy, right, we should have hit that high right here, but we didn't. We drew all the way back down, hit discount, and then I saw the 5-minute break. I wasn't confident that it was going to run straight to it. I knew it was going to mess around, but I was confident in my 5-minute structure. I took the long, I scaled break even here, rest out, stop at break even. Trade 1, dub, trade 2, dub, and a great day for the team. Hopped on PM, never saw anything, did not like the action. We called it a day. Very simple recap, guys. That is how I called the market before it was going to happen. But thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment. I'll be sure to get back to it. And if you want to join the team, just let me know. Hit the link in our bio, and we will be happy to have you guys. Peace out.